Hey guys, what's happening? How to change the font style on iOS 18. First of all, go ahead to the settings. Then go ahead to the general, software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Now what you're gonna do, go back and then click general, scroll a little bit down to the font, and then click system font. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select the font, right? And select the 12 typefaces: bold, heavy, italic, and then go back to apply the settings. So that's another comment if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.